Surprise Part 2. Well, Poopsie, I'm surprised. I've opened up and I finally opened this and I didn't smell it yet. But I'm gonna smell it now with you. It's like a body shower. Why am I smelling a body shower? I don't think this froze. This is a beautiful smell. I love the smell. Let me smell again. Beautiful. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep. Actually gonna sleep this time. So make sure to get that. Okay, I measured 15 milliliters. Now we open this bottle. Camp Kaka. I'm gonna see if it shacks it to the line. Yet it is to the line. Is it to the line? Oh yes, it is. To the line we go, 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 go. Then we put the unicorn food. Oh no, the powder went everywhere. Okay, so I don't know how this. That's all that dust. I have to tell you. Before I'm gonna pour it into this Camp Kaka, I'm gonna pour this into this first one to see if the powder's ready. That went everywhere. Duster. It's on my iPhone. I mean iPad. Have you considered? Why am I doing that? I'm not using that anymore. Then I'm using unicorn spoon to scoop it in. Put the powder in. Oh, it looks like it's pink. It is pink. Get that powder. Let me dump the whole thing in it. Can you dump the whole thing? Time to me to dump the whole thing. I don't even know if the whole thing could do the trick. I don't even know. Go back here. Silly powder. Go back. Go back to your home. Okay, now I'm just start. The powder went everywhere again. I'm starting stirring again because I want to see how this turned out when it's with stir. Okay. It is sticky right now. Then I'm putting a spoon back. And then we're adding a scent. 5 drops. So 1. So 2. 3. As much as we can climb. Come on, Poopsie. Come on, Poopsie. Poops. Okay. Poopsie. You go. Poopsie doesn't even want to go. Poopsie, do you want to go? Poopsie? Really? Do you want to go? Oh, I add too much. That's too much. This smells like body shower. It just literally smells like body shower. Look, the color's red. That's all I can tell. It smells like body shower. Which kind of good? I'll put a cap back on. Yapping and me. Don't throw this in the bin. Throw this in the bin too. Throw this in the bin too. Thank you. Oh no, I'm sorry guys, but Poopsie, I'm sorry. Your powder's everywhere on my desk. Okay, then I'm just gonna look at the card and see if I am very other along. Oops, I broke the instructions. It fell again. It may not make me. I'm not a make. How can I read this in one day? How can I read this? I can't really see this on the guide, guys. OMG.